Assalamu alaikum everyone. So in our previous videos we have already discussed about the muscles, bones, the skeletal system and all the different organs that helps to move our muscles and all. Now in this video I'm going to tell you about the different organ systems, and before telling about organ system, let me tell you what an organ is. So our body is packed with different types of organs. That includes our brain, heart, lungs, liver, stomach, intestine, and so on. So there are so many organs, and with the combination of these organs our body can work properly. If any of these organs collapse, our body will also collapse. For example, if our brain stops working, there will be no signal sent to our nervous system, and in that case you will be paralyzed. For example, if our heart stops working, there will be no pumping of blood around our body, no oxygen around our body, and in that case our body will collapse and we will not be able to survive. So every organ is specialized to do the job given to them. Alright, so our body is a combination of different organs, and these organs make a system, and there are so many systems working around our body to make our body work the way it works. For example, there are so many systems such as circulatory system, nervous system, respiratory system, digestive system, skeletal system, muscular system, and so on. There are so many systems. There are so many systems that I am not able to tell you in a single video, but these are some systems that we are going to discuss, and I'll try to explain in this video. For example, let me discuss about the nervous system first. So as I've already explained you in the last topic, in the topic of muscles, about the nervous system, that our brain sends signals to our spinal cord, and then spinal cord sends the signals to our nervous system, and the nervous system transmits these signals to our muscle fibers. So basically the main function of the nervous system is that it transmits all the messages from our brain to our muscle organs and vice versa. Let me explain this to you again. For example, जिस तरह हमारा ब्रेन सारे के सारे सिग्नल्स स्पाइनल कॉर्ड के थ्रू हमारे नर्वस सिस्टम को भेजता है, और नर्वस सिस्टम की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है कि वो सारे के सारे सिग्नल्स हमारे मसल्स को सेंड करे, और जिसकी वजह से हमारे मसल्स मूव करते हैं. ठीक है. और बिल्कुल यही चीज़ रिवर्स भी काम करती है कि हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जितने भी ऑर्गन्स होते हैं, जितने भी पार्ट्स होते हैं, वो सारे सिग्नल्स वापस नर्वस सिस्टम, जो डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स की तरफ से सिग्नल्स होते हैं, वो सारे सिग्नल्स भी नर्वस सिस्टम वापस ब्रेन को सेंड करता है, और फिर ब्रेन उसके अकॉर्डिंग वर्क करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जो हमारा नर्वस सिस्टम में कौन कौन सी चीज़ें इंक्लूड होती हैं, हमारी बॉडी के कुछ पार्ट्स हैं दैट आर इंक्लूड इन आवर नर्वस सिस्टम. दैट इंक्लूड्स ब्रेन, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, nerves, and all our sense organs. There are 5 sense organs जो हमारे 5 senses हैं, like sense of taste, sense of smell, sense of touch, sense of hearing, sense of smelling. तो ये सारे जो 5 sense organs हमारे काम करें, these are all attached to our nervous system. In case if our nervous system collapse, ये सारे के सारे सिस्टम जो हमारे सेंस ऑर्गन्स वाले सिस्टम है, ये सब भी इसके साथ कोलैप्स कर जाएंगे. विल नॉट बी एबल टू टच, वी विल फील द टच, वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू फील द टेस्ट, वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू स्मेल एनीथिंग. तो ये सारे सिस्टम जो है वो नर्वस सिस्टम के साथ ही जो है वो अटैच्ड होते हैं. नाउ क्विकली जंप टूवर्ड्स द रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम. सो द मेन ऑर्गन्स विच इज अटैच्ड टू आवर रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम इज आवर लंग्स. As we have already discussed in our previous classes कि lungs हमारे किस तरह काम करते हैं, but I'll give you a quick review कि lungs किस तरह काम करते हैं. The main function of our lungs is to take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. So this is a chemical reaction which takes place inside our body, and in this chemical reaction what happens inside our body, inside our lung is our lungs takes in oxygen, it releases all the energy from our oxygen और फिर ये एनर्जी वो सेंड कर देता है हार्ट की तरफ, और उसके बाद ड्यू टू दिस केमिकल रिएक्शन अनदर गैस प्रोड्यूस दैट इज नोन एज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. So our lungs also work as a gas exchange program. It takes all the carbon dioxide from our body and exhales it out. Alright, so what happens inside our body is, for example, if I am sitting still, in this case also I am taking 15 breaths per minute. ठीक है, or in these 15 breaths, with each breath I am taking fresh oxygen inside my lung and I am exhaling carbon dioxide outside our body. So lungs takes energy from the oxygen, gives it to our heart, and what a heart does with this energy I'll explain you in the next topic. हार्ट का एक पूरा एक टॉपिक आने वाला है जिसमें मैं आपको ये बताऊंगी कि हार्ट उस एनर्जी के साथ क्या करता है और फिर किस तरह हार्ट काम करता है. But our lungs work as a gas exchange. It takes in oxygen and it gives out carbon dioxide. Now let me jump towards the digestive system. As we already know, the digestive system is when we eat anything or we drink anything, we chew it and we swallow it, and after that it goes towards our digestive system and it convert the energy into glucose and large starch, and the glucose particles are so tiny, so they get towards the blood, and the starch part is transmits towards our bigger, because the starch parts are the bigger particles, so they transmits towards our intestines, and these particles are further broken down, and this procedure of breaking down these big particles happens inside our digestive system.